VACC's Technical Advisory Service often receives calls requesting a procedure to adjust the park brake system on the JG and JH Holden Cruze models. This park brake system has a number of adjustment options available once you know how it works. Like many other park brake systems, the Cruze applies the rear brake calipers via a cable attached to a hand lever in the cabin. The rear calipers automatically adjust for pad wear, and a mechanism in the park brake lever should automatically adjust for any cable stretch over time. This automatic cable adjustment mechanism uses a spring to pull the cable when the park brake is released, which should take up any slack from cable stretching. When the park brake handle is pulled up, a set of jaws clamp onto the cable and pull the cable to apply the park brake. If the park brake lever travel exceeds approximately 5 clicks on the ratchet, the system may require a manual adjustment. There are two different styles of system used in these vehicles. The first type requires manipulation of the park brake lever in a prescribed sequence. The second type has a manual adjustment method that requires you to access the mechanism to allow the cable to be adjusted. If either of these methods do not give you an acceptable park brake adjustment, it is recommended to replace the handbrake cable. If you have attempted either of the above adjustment procedures, it is recommended that you check that the rear wheels still spin freely with the park brake released and that the caliper levers are on their stops to ensure that the rear brakes are not dragging. For the steps and procedures to adjust the park brake on the Holden Cruze, see the August 2020 issue of Tech Talk, log on to VACC's MotorTech, or call the Technical Advisory Service.